Hey Jay, how you doing? Okay, so with all that information behind us, we now have a fresh take on all the information we learned about data sets and specifically how to find the range, the mode, the median, and the mean. And I put these not in the order necessarily that you learned them, but I think in an order that makes sense. If you're on a test and you want to hit the easy questions first, which I always try to do to orient myself by answering a couple of easy questions in a set and then approaching the harder ones, I think that's just a good idea, not just an idea to get extra points on a test. It's always good, but it just helps you think. So we're looking for imagine you're on a test or in a homework assignment. They've given you this is your data set and this is your set of the things that they want you to do. So first thing is think about this. What is the range? Try to remember what it is that the range is. How do we find the range? I'll let you just think about that for a second. And you could click stop if you want to actually do this. The highest number, the lowest number, 13 minus 1 equals 12, and that gives me the range. So the range is 12. Next question. The mode. I think the mode is also easy to find because especially if you have an ordered data set, and this data set might have been out of order to start with, but you always want to order it first. Let's always say that. That the mode is easy to find because here's these two values that are sticking out that are the same. And if there's only one pair of values and nothing else, everything else is singles, then we know that the mode in this case is 3. Okay, so moving on to the median. What's the median again? The median is the middle value. And if this data set had 5 values, it would be easy. You just go 2 from this side and 2 from that side, and then you circle that middle value right there. It's got 6 values, an even number. And so it isn't 3, it isn't 7, but what it is the number right between 3 and 7. Now, you could probably, that pen doesn't work too well, does it? Let's try another one. How about this one? This one, right in between 3 and 7. You could probably eyeball this and just say the number right between 3 and 7 is 5. And so that would be the median. Just in case you have trouble and the numbers are a little bit stranger, just remember that the way to find that is by finding the mean of the two middle numbers, which are 3 plus 7 and then divided by 2. Well, that's 10 divided by 2, and that gives you 5. So either way we come at it, we get 5 for the median. And now, final thing we need to find is the mean of the whole set. So how do we find that? Well, I reminded you that the median requires us to find the mean of these two numbers, which meant add two numbers, divide by 2. So what we're going to do is we're going to add 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 7 plus 9 plus 13. We're going to add all those together and we're going to divide that by 6 because that's 6 different values. So the first part we're going to add it up, and that is when I add I kind of try to pair tens, like there's a 1 plus 9 is 10, a 3 plus 7 is 10, that's 20. And then 20 plus 13 is 33, and another 3 is 36 divided by 6. And then 36 divided by 6 is 6. And so the mean of this set is 6. And that's how you go through a problem just like this and come up with the range, the mode, the median, and the mean. All right, my friend, you take care.